Before getting started with a search in a research database, it is useful to take a moment and consider how to construct a search. McCain Library staff recommends starting the search process by writing a statement that describes the information that is needed. It's important to write this out as a sentence. The statement we will work with in this video is counseling methods used in the workplace to improve teamwork and workplace satisfaction. The next step in the search construction process is to identify the key concepts in the statement. This is really easy. Simply underline each part of the statement that is a different concept. Notice that in this example, teamwork and workplace satisfaction are considered the same concept, since I'm comfortable with articles that contain either of these concepts in combination with the other two concepts identified, which are counseling methods and workplace. After identifying the key concepts, it's helpful to brainstorm additional keywords for each concept. Since the advanced search screen of most library databases offers a series of boxes to enter the search terms, I like to create a table that places my core concepts in separate rows in the first column and then provide space to add additional terms in the second column. For each concept, I brainstorm a list of broader, narrower, and related terms. Doing this process before I begin my search ensures that I fully understand what I'm trying to find and which terms may work best in locating the articles that I need. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate how I take the concepts that are listed in the table and put them into a search within a database. So the database I'm working in is APA PsycInfo, which is one of the databases that we recommend. Originally, it starts it off on the basic search screen, which is a single box, but by clicking on advanced search, I'm able to get all three of these boxes. And you can see that I've already preloaded these into the search boxes. Notice how that correlates with the three boxes that we have over here. And so first, just to show you what our original search terms would bring up, I'm going to go ahead and click search. So using our original search terms, we only got 2 results, and that might be unsatisfying. We can always look through them and see if they're going to be useful, but the reason why we brainstormed things to begin with was because we wanted to give ourselves ways to expand our search. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this list over here and see if there's other things that I can put in that will make this search be a little bit broader. So first, let's look at the counseling methods concept. And let's choose a few that we're going to look at here. So I'm going to go ahead and do or employee assistance program. And let's just see if that expands our results just a little bit. Every time we use or, it should expand our results. So clearly there's a lot more about workplace, teamwork, or workplace and satisfaction when combined with the concept of employee assistant program. Another option that we have in there is that we have coaching, so we could also add that in to our search. So I'm going to go ahead and do or coaching. And so that's another option that we have. And if I go ahead and run that search, you'll see that it expands it even more. So that's how we'll enter these. And I can't guarantee you that it's always going to be exactly what you want. There's other tricks that we'll show you of how you will utilize the other features in the database to broaden and narrow your search, but this is how we end up constructing an initial search. If you have questions, please email McCain Library at library@agnescott.edu. You can also set up one-on-one appointments with a research librarian who will talk with you about your topic and help you construct a search that will work best. Librarians are available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Use the research appointment button on the library website to set up an appointment. We can even meet with you via Zoom or Google Chat.